is the way that you left me.
Welcome back, nail queens. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a manicure inspired by the Manicure Roulette card game by Dr. Prince & Co. This is their Valentine's Day expansion pack. So I'm going to be doing a mani based on the cards that I drew when I did the unboxing over on my Instagram. So the cards that I drew for my Instagram unboxing was a hole in my heart and kind love. I would have showed you that on film here, but I already drew them earlier. So I'm going to do a mani based on these two cards, and I'm very excited because it took me a while to decide what I wanted to do, but I'm excited to show you guys my mani design. So first thing I'm doing is I'm applying 2 coats of Erica gel polish by Revel nail. I'm going to apply 2 coats to all of the nails. And then I'm going to be using several different colors of gel polish to paint little designs on each nail. But one of the nails, which is going to be the middle fingernail, is going to have a heart in the center that's going to look like it's like an empty space. So I'm going to paint a heart here, kind of like negative space, and that's what I'm going to do for like the next 2 minutes on film, is try my best to freehand a heart with like empty space in the middle. If you struggle with doing any kind of nail art, such as freehanding hearts or anything, my recommendation is to use a longer striping nail art brush. I believe the one I'm using right here is the 12mm brush from the Painted Desert. They also have a 9mm and a 5mm, so anything like that's like 10mm or longer I think is a great brush to use for designs like this. Anything where you're gonna have to do like longer lines or strokes or curves, I think something like 10mm or longer is a great option. So I'm gonna go cure this in my nail lamp before anything starts like getting a little fuzzy and flowing into the sides or anything. And then I'm gonna come back and paint a second coat on. I'm using the brush from the gel polish to just help put the bulk of the gel polish on the nail. And then I'm using whatever gel polish I have on my nail art palette to fill in any gaps and really just make sure all of my lines are nice and crisp and everything is level and even. Now that I'm satisfied with the overall look of this, I'm going to cure this in my lamp for 60 seconds. And then when that is done curing, I'm taking this gel polish. It comes in a little tub from Iguana, and I'm going to fill in the outline of the heart with this gold. This really helps obscure any like mistake I may have made or where it just may not look absolutely perfect. Doing a little outline in glitter or even just like a solid gel polish really helps just spruce up the whole design, and you can see here just how pretty it looks. Now I'm going to go on and do the other nails. All of these have 2 coats of Erica gel polish on them. Like I said before, I did 2 coats of this, curing for 1 whole minute in between layers. And then once all the layers are cured, I'm taking different colors of gel polish. So right here is a light purple, and I'm kind of doing like an abstract mismatch heart design. So it looks like a heart, but it also doesn't look like a heart. Like it's kind of like some kind of like French tip twist on a heart. And I'm just going to fill in the edges, make sure that the side walls are nice and crisp. Everything is covered in the purple, and then I'm going to cure that in my lamp for 60 seconds and also outline all of these hearts with that same gold gel polish I used on that hole in a heart, negative space heart that I did in bright pink. So I'm going to repeat this whole process with blue and green and then purple again.
I wanna be there, won't you be mine? Take down your
So I do want to rave about this gold gel for a moment. I bought it from the Red Iguana on sale. I think it was like $4.95 when they're having a clearance. It's probably still on sale. They actually have a bunch of different colors. They're like rose pinks, reds, different kinds of golds and everything. So if you're someone who wants like a really sparkly, fine gold glitter to do nail art or even just a whole nail in gold, I recommend heading to their website and picking it up because it's on clearance. So I'm going to top coat all of the nails. I'm showing you this one because obviously the hole in the heart, the negative space heart, has like a little void because there's no gel in there really. So I'm putting more gel top coat there to make up for the fact that there was a gap there and make sure everything is level before curing. So after everything is top coated, it looks like this. I love how this design set turned out, and I really do love the Manicure Roulette cards. Even if you don't have the Valentine's Day edition or any of the expansion packs that they have for each like season, the main Manicure Roulette game is so incredible for just bringing you outside of your comfort zone and testing you artistically and challenging you to do things you normally wouldn't think of doing or use colors you wouldn't think of using. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment below letting me know what mani plans you have for Valentine's Day. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!